Hello everyone, this is Kira from Landpack Machinery. Today let's learn how to adjust the wrong cutting position when appearing the unqualified product. This is the quality product and this is the unqualified product. When appearing the unqualified product, we need to adjust the cutting position by setting the material location parameter on the touch screen. Let our managers to display how to use it. This is the unqualified product. For this situation, we need to manually adjust the parameters of fill forward, counter forward, and line reverse. To let the unqualified sample go out first. And then we should adjust the material location according to the material length on the touch screen. Look here. Now let us test again. This is the correct cutting position. And finally, we can get a quality sample. This is the finished quality product. If you have any questions, please contact us on anywhere.